Pick it apart, back to the start. I didn't know ya. Give it a chance, watching you dance. I didn't feel ya. Even though you're red right now, I don't want your crown. Even if I fall apart, I wanna be like you. I wanna do what you do.
Second shot!
What's happening, guys? Dave Salem here, and I just got done finishing my 2018 spearfishing edit. It took a little bit longer than I expected just because I switched editing softwares. I switched to Premiere Pro. It's pretty badass. A lot of new things, but I'm happy I switched to it. Another thing that's pretty badass is eye context. It's a new little action camera similar to GoPro, but more affordable. Shoots 4K, which is pretty cool. It's voice activated. It has a remote. A lot of cool features and accessories to it. Another brand I'd like you guys to check out is localbrandfl.com. They have some pretty cool shirts and hats and sunglasses. They're really breathable shirts for when you're fishing or surfing or anything outdoor related. Make sure to check out my next spearfishing edit. It'll be a Louisiana oil rig trip, which will be pretty badass. We went there about a month ago. Shot lots of big snapper, big cobia. We shot a 61. Well, I can't tell you yet. Thanks for watching. I will leave a link to both websites down below. And if you like this video, make sure to like it and share it. And if you really want to, subscribe.